Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your Bitfinex account. To start, please log into your Bitfinex account. Once you are successfully logged in, look for the menu in the upper right-hand corner of the platform. From there, you will need to select the Account Settings option. This is your first step towards managing your account status and initiating the deletion process. Once you are on the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find the Account Status section. Here, you will see an option to change your account status. Select Deactivate to begin the closure process. A pop-up window will then appear, asking you to confirm your decision. It is important to carefully review this message before proceeding to the next step. Before you finalize the deactivation, there are a few critical steps to take. First, make sure to withdraw all your digital assets and funds from your Bitfinex account to a secure, external wallet. Next, confirm that you have closed all open orders, trading positions, and any pending funding offers. If you have sub-accounts, remember to unlink them if you intend to access them later, as they will be deactivated with your master account. After confirming your decision, Bitfinex will send a deactivation email to your registered address. Open this email and click the Permanently Deactivate Account button to finalize the process. This action is irreversible and will log you out permanently. Please note that Bitfinex, like many financial platforms, is required to retain certain user data for several years due to legal, audit, and regulatory compliance obligations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.